Hi friends, this week I'm doing a video kind of update of the week and overview so you know what's going on. This week is pretty self-explanatory and it's a short week, which is exciting, but I'm just going to review some things so we're all on the same page. So Monday, you'll notice if you are at home, make sure you watch our Motivational Monday clip, or if you're in class, we'll do it together. And then you are getting the time to finish your reality check assignment. You should have started this last week. So you probably have it already going in Schoology. So I give you directions. You're going to have to go back to week 5 and open the reality check assignment in order to continue working on the same one. Okay. So we're just finishing that today and you can submit that in Schoology when you are done. Okay. Tuesday, we are doing a study session or tutorial. So if you're in class, you are doing a tutorial, obviously, so make sure you come prepared with the TRF. I have a digital TRF in Schoology now, so you could print that out at home, or if you don't have a sheet, you can always just write it on notebook paper and just use my digital one as kind of an example for how your page should be set up. Okay, so we'll be doing tutorials this week, either Tuesday or Wednesday, depending on when you are with me in class. The opposite day, you are going to do an at-home study session. Just make sure you fill out your form in Schoology. I'll change this because some of us are doing it on Wednesday, not Tuesday. Fill out your form in Schoology to make sure you get your points for that. This is for my distance learners, so obviously if you're not a distance learner, you don't need to do a digital tutorial because you are doing one in class, either on Tuesday or Wednesday. Okay, and then you get a nice long break, a 4-day weekend, which is exciting. So reality check assignment, we're finishing that Monday and submitting it. Tutorials and a study session. That wraps up our week number 6.